Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you and teach you how to print the double-side printable aluminum ornaments. Like you can see, they got 12 different kinds of shapes: square shape, Christmas tree shape, round shape, and star shape, etc. Okay, let's see what we need. And I'm gonna introduce you this stuff that we're gonna utilize. First one, of course, is our ornaments, a piece of print paper, high heat resistant tape, and a glove for protecting ourselves. Let's get started. Set the temperature and the time to 180 Celsius degree and 45 seconds in advance. And this one is for demonstration. Tear off the film of ornament. And these have been torn, ready to be printed. Fully covered with Teflon sheet. Close the machine, waiting for 45 seconds. Review the sheet. Let's check out the printing result one by one. Look at these vibrant colors. It's so gorgeous. What a wonderful printing effect.